Hello lovelies, it's product review number 10 and today we've got brown rice flakes. So this is a relatively new product on the market and it is organic brown rice flakes that have been carefully prepared by steaming, rolling and drying the brown rice. Now, what would you use these for? Obviously, the person that's going to be the most excited about them is someone who is either a celiac or gluten intolerant. Also, people who maybe struggle with oats. I know oats do not contain gluten, but sometimes they can affect people, with abdominal issues. So you can basically use these brown rice flakes the same way that you use rolled oats. So literally, you can either cook them like you cook rolled oats, or you can soak them overnight and they soften and pretty much disappear. So I, as you know, I make myself a green smoothie every night, usually with a banana and a couple of sticks of celery and some fresh mint if I've got it, with water, pop it in a jar and I add my oats and then I eat it the next morning. Now this is because I don't blend up the oats because I like to eat my breakfast rather than drink it. So, and also like to be super prepared. So I'm actually just loving doing my breakfast the night before. I've been doing it for a couple of months now and I just love it. And so the other day I did my green smoothie and added the brown rice flakes, and the next morning, pretty much they had practically dissolved into the green smoothie. So at least with the oats, there's still a little bit of a texture there. With this, you could barely tell that there was anything in there, and it had just kind of thickened the green smoothie. So yeah, it's an alternative, something to play with if you'd like to. The other thing I was thinking that they would be really good for is to pop them on your bench and roller pin them so that you get sort of, fine crumbs, and that could be a gluten-free alternative if you wanted to crumb something or give it a nice crispy, you might like to roll, I was thinking like even sweet potatoes or something like that. You could roll it in there and then bake that, or some patties, and just as an alternative. So really today's is a little bit of fun, something to play with, a product that might interest you, and totally healthy. And yeah, if you've got any products that you want me to review, let me know, and any questions, pop them below. Happy to answer them. Have a great day.